channel, like literally now about 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock coming? And 9 o'clock it be? Or almost 9 o'clock. But baby's in the kitchen, semi bake. So we went on the road today and him decided to him come home and come bake. So I like him do him bake black cake. What do you call that, black cake? Chocolate cake? Or to be chocolate cake you have to have some sort of chocolate. Fruit cake? Well yeah, fruit cake. So but only fruit him have to put in there are raisin. And then you know fruit cake brown, so I'll make it brown at the browning. Oh, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe. If you subscribe, big up yourself. You know yourself, yeah. I'll tell you, I'm tired bad, but I can feature what I'm gonna do. Right now with my butter, the butter and the sugar together. It's so loud, man. Butter and the sugar together, but I mean, it's so loud, so there's nothing to really feature or say anything really. It's so loud. Guys, meanwhile, babes are bake. What if I want topic to talk about? So the topic that come to my mind is why men cheat, babe. We are laughing. Isn't that a good? That's a good topic. Why men cheat? Babes, why man cheat? Why do you think man cheat? Tell me.
I have different reasons I cheat.
Like what? Reasons like what? You think there are such reasons because them can't satisfy? Are them not comfortable? How much you use?
As I said before,
How much you use?
one meal's already, but I don't feel one of them will be spot on.
Yeah, as I said before, what?
I have different reasons why I cheat.
You may feel like what kind of reason?
One reason, they don't trust them woman.
That one reason?
Yeah, and just feel so man I give them bun and then just decide etc. They will give bun.
So is that a factual reason?
If they can prove it, I don't know. But I have some other man just cheat because they stress. You man that knock them and stress them out every night in their life. Man stress them out in just etc.
But what if it's a case where like the woman asks the man, I say that. Say the woman asks the man, you know, based on like it evident to she say she has stressed about and she realizes the man and she asks the man why problem man, you know, she tries to solve it. You think that the man still needs to cheat in the case then?
No, but if she tries to solve the problem and when the man look upon it, the problem not change or not solve, it's still like a cheat.
Because problem not solve.
That problem still not solve. And like even when some woman now feel say they can just get pregnant female and that way wally man. As to where I name Mr. Alex say long time through this. Say pit in a whole man again and they're sitting there so.
Well definitely. Not pit in a whole no man again, definitely.
So I have one heap of things. They have religion again will make man cheat cause some man feel say they believe say they can't commit. They call that thing there bigamy. Adultery, bigamy more one partner. When you're married more one somebody and all that say Solomon days, Bible days.
But that happened in Jamaica?
Bigamy? Of course. They just to make it known.
My phone not the cake now where I add the egg. How much egg you add? 3? You add the egg? Yeah, add 4. Yeah, so you add the thing then. The egg and then so I guess if it's not gonna let him have a probably put some of it. Oh yeah, put some of it. But there's no nothing to put in there. I guess Odain claims that him what do you call him play with bake? A chef term then come on now? Chef, yeah?
Baking, cooking, still chef.
Alright, so him never got school for bake, but from the other day him a bake like say him a chef and him always a pretend like say, you know, one film and touch anything. The thing is
Move a bad man, can you know me can bake better.
but me can't really bake in a sense that me can't bake. But babes, take it truth. I practice and you catch you.
Then you never hear practice become perfect.
Whatever.
You want to sit down and turn star, that another sense. With cooking.
Me? Me want to say I start cooking?
You just feel like say, alright, try just get up and cook and that's it.
Me a chef. Me can't cook. Me can't cook better than him. Me not lie. Me can't cook better than him. But him just always cook more than me. These days they cook more than me.
Me a start.
Yeah, these days cook more than me because him is like him in the kitchen more and me in the house more though. More house stuff.
No house stuff, sit down and the YouTube all day.
YouTube are my thing. So it's really interesting that I topic here.
No, interesting.
Yeah, it's because you have the But I don't not hear me because the machinery in the back, but it's really interesting that topic here because it comes from more options than the way I'm manching. So I could hear him because seeing that we can hardly get him over here on the channel, I could hear where I say. I could hear where I say what other options there.
I'm baking.
You want to top up the things then, man? You ready for the floor and stuff, right?
Yeah, you know, if you ask me what the flour.
Never know somebody if you have seed flour. Be a second thing then. Why do other reason why man cheat? May I listen, you know?
When I main reason,
Not forget this. Not forget it.
Yeah. When I main, where you give this one, the buckle this one?
No, he ordered for try to the buckle. Try
this?
Which buckle?
That for 29
No man, that's a cooking buckle. Try it. Babe, what I do? You know, but you use it like that?
Me alright with this also.
Yeah, talk up a thing. May I listen?
As me I say, the main, I don't want to options, I don't want to reasons, but the main reason is just that so much time, no disrespect ladies, no disrespect, we just a talk based on way people say and based on way me
That
hear.
talk to your curtain.
See, just I say, man, when I mean is a man cheat, somebody them complain say, human then can't do them if you do in a bed, or human then just not good enough.
Is that factual?
Sometimes you have someone.
But why you there with somebody where them not good in a bed and then you have to go there with somebody where they married in a bed? Why sense it? Like me I said, if me are there, why you still there if me not good in a bed?
No, I not necessarily said that. Maybe him man just said they were there because of bed reasons. And every man is there with woman because of when can be in a bed.
Well, that's true, yes, but then isn't that like the main thing in the relationship? If the bed now work out, what sense?
No, my main reason is, my personal reason is, if me I go 100% when it come on to lifestyle, like working together to make things better, that good. Me not busy about bed and me no can back my fist.
But then I'm gonna say, babe, to be honest.
If you bed no good, man I go talk. Man I go say, yo, woman, yo, bed business now go on properly, so
but then
you have to fix it up.
But your relationship don't make no sense then. So
we make your relationship fix don't make no sense. Woman can fix up it. I'm not wrong.
but if it not good in the sense where she not perform good or down this or now.
May I say, it can be that in lazy, he not perform good, or down this or just not feel comfortable to him, man.
Then I say that make no sense if there is a company that
If you
in
not
a
feel comfortable
relationship.
to him, man, yeah, if your man not go there, no man not gonna really stay there. So.
No, that make no sense. Because if your bed never good, first of all, sometimes even though you want to make life with somebody, if your bed not good, it don't make no sense. Because if your bed never good, the abuse will make no sense to me.
The bed.
Babe, talk it through.
Miss, you wanna
Talk it through.
referring to the questions, the same way that talk about?
Roy. Referring to the question. Referring to the
referring
question.
to the statements that were made, yeah. I just saw it, I just saw it things said. Sometimes and actually, no disrespect to my male brethren them or my male friend them. Some of we just can't satisfy.
Oh, that's true. Me think that is the main part. So my man then can't satisfy. Me think so too. You ever satisfy?
Yeah, man, I have to talk the truth. Sometimes we as men, we can't.
I don't want too much.
I don't want too much, we just can't satisfy.
You can't satisfy?
No talk, we don't want
You
too much.
want
We just
too much?
can't satisfy.
Yeah. I think, well, that's true. That's actually factual.
It's a life. Yeah, some of we can't satisfy, some of we get enough, some of we can't do without. So.
That's some facts, I think. I'm gonna use if you just knock it out, just knock it out, I use a spoon.
Knock it out where?
Knock it out, sorry, use spoon.
Knock it. No.
This not done for today.
Yeah, use the spoon then.
Babe, you think after 1 years in a relationship, you think it makes sense to people left? So we did 20 years here. You think it makes sense to get people left?
Makes sense, of course.
Why
If things used to happen a certain way and then all of a sudden, boom. It don't make no sense.
But do you think it makes sense at that point in time? What say after 50? It makes sense
to
to start
stay in a
over?
relationship and miserable. That don't make sense.
Well, you know, it's a start again. But alright, for example, we know a few families were miserable. Say, right? You think you're in their old age? You think it makes sense? Like, you're in your old age.
Why you turn with somebody?
Yeah.
Me personally, me not stay. If me can't live peaceful and happy, me and man, me like go quiet. If me can't live peaceful and happy, me gone, me no business.
But in your old age?
All young in between, me gone.
You rough bed. You think after 30? Maybe not be where there's a one bloody areas, you know?
You remember?
I'm ready. I hope a lot of man can actually come and say, you know, I said go for true, talk up a thing. Some man don't like talking truth, you know, and the truth must be told. The truth must be told. You understand? If you guys have some questions that you know we want to talk about, like some topic, comment down below. We'll talk about some stuff for you know, anything you have on we'll talk about it. I don't normally give the best advice, but in good for advice, you know. I think him our advice doctor. Actually, good in them field then. What if I flow in here? What raise the other blend?
No.
Raise the shell blend with
You wine. I can't put water in a cake.
but when you blend it, you have to add little water to it.
Water in a cake.
You put it, what you have to do?
Mix it with
Blend in the vanilla.
one little water, one little more vanilla.
So the cake I make, but we don't have no wine. We don't have no rum. It just...
We can't improvise. Me a star.
A moment of silence, audience. Claim say him a star in a cooking. Claim say him a star. Not lying, can't cook though, can't cook. You know, he deserve him props for that. Him can't go on with that thing, Beans and what is? Okay, and I sit there. Yeah? So you do it, flour, give me a one, man. I don't know, make it.
Come, hurry up, I am away from.
Me have a pan,
Then I'm going to away from.
I'm going to say flour, give me a one time, I say so. Yeah. You add more butter into it? You add more? Oh, burn up. Remember, tell it when you overlook it, you want to wear it on? So what I burn. We have this Getty's butter brand brownie. It's not the best. First of all, it's thin. But them have the brown cake on it, but it water and it's thin. Just like babes complain about the Lasco brand black pepper. Lasco brand black pepper is very water, like the water bad, like yeah. How much pepper you got? If I last a few months, you add it. I've never told you too much. That good? Yeah? Brother say my chef. So if him know what I do, him not do when him a bake, him don't measure nothing at all. Him just dash things in a pot, dash things in a bowl. It always come out good. How much percent it come out good? You never flap it. You never cook and flap.
One time you flap, I want to try with peanut.
You want to try cake with peanut? Is that only cake you flap there?
Just not try.
It makes peanut cake with carrot. Why is it nice? Peanut and carrot. The cake could eat the next day. The cake puffed. It is puffed down.
I say it's a practice before perfect.
Whatever. Yeah, I make peanut cake, but not only I'm such as peanut cake. Only thing that peanut cake I want to know is sugar. What? Not no one, but no one to do it. Don't have butter again. Him just feel like say, him whatever. Him got things locked, so whatever. Them I go in a food pan. The eggshell them. Guys, we like literally which part we there? The rubbish bin them they like way up so. So what we do is just we save. You catch your bag in there?
Which bag? Lock it in there.
Like what?
Lock it pan.
We want to put the eggshell in there, but you put the bag in there.
Put the other one down there so.
Where eggshell? Which one? Oh, the other part. Which one this? Oh, I told him I use.
What I take up that?
I never say I told him I use. But this a full too. What we do? We save the
What's the nice of I just use it?
not cut it.
No, cool.
We save the food after we don't throw them in the regular garbage. I'll have them all about ice cream, something I can buy one for ice cream, so we just put it in there, you know, and then we throw it out in the bin so bully for fly. Look, I can't take the fly in, brother. I can't take the fly in. Babes, they can't hold. They can't hold. Let's go for sure the egg them. Lad. So my water dash right now. Wipe up there with that for me. When you're done. Alright. The butter is ready? So it's buttering the dish. Grease the dish with butter. In order to throw everything that in here, in order to throw the much is it in there so? Yeah. How much is it there, sorry? So I like the oven. Big like the oven. What? I want my oven. Press up on the chair, babes. I put this up on the chair. About probably a phone 10 o'clock I went in here and bake. I never hear this. So here's the finished outcome, guys. It just, you know, it alright. It have one a little too glaze from the side, but it alright. It come out nice and I think he wanted it to be very flake. Did he want it to be flaky or just moist? You know, only thing happened, you know, was this glass thing. We don't normally bake it, it's just normally bake chicken in the glass, bake something. So that's why I give him, that's why I have a burn right here. So, but if he used the glass pan, then you wouldn't really have that. But you know, people are the plate like this, just mash out. Every kind of hot. So I'll like it mash out if you just consume.
Published in the Washington Post.
So right now we are watching news.
And White House officials
right now.
are attempting to undermine the agency's guidance for
practically don't
schools
really
hoping
like
to reopen in the fall. The condemnation from Drs. Tom Frieden, Jeffrey Copeland, David Satcher, and Richard Besser comes as President Trump